In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple playlists on Spotify mobile app. Now, if you go to your library here, you'll see all the playlists that you have. Currently, as you can see, I only have one, and this is my hip hop playlist. To add another playlist, it is simple. Just tap on plus here and then select playlist, and this will give you an option to rename your playlist, and therefore I'll go ahead and give it a name. Once you have given it a name, tap on create, and now my worship playlist has been created. If I go back, now you can see I have two playlists, but the problem is this playlist has no songs. So to add a song on this playlist, it is simple. Just go ahead and tap on any song. For instance, if I want to add this song on this playlist, I'll go ahead and tap on it, and then under the song I'll just tap on these three dots and then select add to playlist, and then I'll have to choose a playlist that I want to add that song. For my case, I want to add it to this worship playlist, and then tap on done, and that has been added. So if I go back to my playlist, and you can see now under my worship playlist, I have added that album or that song, and if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see now all the songs that have been added on that playlist. So that's how you create multiple playlists on your Spotify app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.